Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you a Cajun chicken and rice recipe that I found on TikTok that is delicious. It kind of reminds me of chicken a la mer from Jazz, but this is definitely a winner and we're going to be making it again. So let me show you how I did it. Alright, to start off we're going to marinate our chicken for a couple of hours before we actually start cooking it. So I'm going to add all of these chicken thighs to a large Ziploc bag and throw in the seasonings. Now this is in my freezer, so it's still a little frozen. To our chicken, we're going to add a nice big glug of olive oil just to help the spices stick to our chicken. Then we're going to add a nice big pour of garlic powder, paprika, chopped dehydrated onions, and I'm just literally pouring with my heart, just enough to coat the chicken, and then Creole seasoning. Then I'm going to zip it up and get most of the air out, and then just kind of massage the spices down into the chicken, and then we'll let this sit in the refrigerator until it's time to cook. Alright, to get going we're going to start off with half a stick of butter and quite a few glugs of olive oil. Alright, while that gets going, we are also going to get some rice on the stove. And we're going to start cooking up our chicken. Chicken should be 165, so I'm just checking these as I'm cooking them. They are far from done, so I want to just make sure I'm not burning them and still giving them time to cook. So just take out the done pieces when they're ready and just keep cooking until all your chicken is done. Alright, we're going to add the other half a stick of butter. Alright, to our butter we're going to add one chopped onion. And again, I have this frozen from onions that I preserved. Very handy for recipes like this. To our onions, we're going to add more Cajun seasoning, a little bit of paprika, and some garlic powder. Once our onions have cooked, we are going to add a couple of cloves of minced garlic. You want to add your garlic after your onions are mostly cooked because garlic will burn a lot faster than onions will. To our onions, we're going to add our fluffy rice. Alright, for the sauce, we're going to add a stick of butter. To our butter, we're going to add Creole seasoning, garlic powder, chopped onions, and a little bit of paprika. Alright, to this mixture we're going to add heavy whipping cream. Okay, now everything is ready. We're gonna dish up our dinner. So we're gonna add a layer of rice. And then we will add a piece or two of chicken. And then we'll add a nice big dollop of our cream sauce on top. And that is dinner served. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.